Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Australia's employment change will be released at 1:30 GMT. Finland's consumer price index at 5 GMT. The UK's manufacturing production at 6 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 23:50 GMT. The Dutch consumer spending volume at 4:30 GMT. The US producer price index at 12:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
European investors have put more money into local stock index trackers so far in 2025 than in any full year on record, with demand for defense funds booming, data shows, as President Donald Trump's erratic trade policy hits their appetite for US shares. Gold rose, lifted by a weaker dollar and falling Treasury yields, as mild US inflation data cemented expectations for a Federal Reserve rate cut in September and nudged up bets on additional easing later this year. Cryptocurrency exchange operator Bullish was valued at about $13.16 billion after its shares more than doubled in their NYSE debut, underscoring investor confidence in the sector and lifting prospects for future US listings by other digital asset firms.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound rise 0.5% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.